Shanghai Lilan Packaging Technology Company Limited, with two factories, Shanghai Lilan Machinery Equipment Company Limited and Lilan Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, located in Shanghai Baoshan Robotic Industry Park, China. We combines Europe technology with China manufacturing advantage and produces its automation robot-based packaging machines with a focus on the interplay between simple mechanics, intelligent control technology, and high degree of modularity. Lilan is an outstanding one-stop supplier for machines, production lines, and holistic systems engineering. It supplies intelligent MTU production line, combining automated packaging with robot application, and provides high-end equipment and turnkey projects for primary packaging, secondary packaging, palletizing and depalletizing, and logistics, filling, labeling, packing, palletizing, conveying for food, water, beverage, pharmaceutical, as well as chemical industries for this. Lilan has developed machinery, plants, and systems which set exemplary standards. The main second packaging products are automatic carton wraparound packing machine, robotic carton packing system, coordinate robotic palletizer, gantry palletizer, full automatic bottle palletizer and depalletizer, retort basket loader, and unloaded, and robotic palletizer system. The company's strong points are the high-quality standards of the products, a propensity for research and innovation, and a strong post-sales service aimed at complete customer satisfaction. Our mission statement is to supply quality process and packaging solutions with excellent cost-benefit relationship, including strong technical service before and after the installation in order to create solid and long-lasting commercial relation with customers.